Okay, so you've got your stickers ready to go. You've laid them flat on the floor, and they're ready to go on the wall. Make sure your wall is clean and dry, no dust or grease. It'd be good to wipe it down with alcohol or something to make sure there's no grease on it, because if there's grease or dust, the stickers won't stick well and they'll peel off. If it's been recently painted, you have to wait 2 to 3 weeks. If you're in a humid area, I would wait 3 weeks, because any moisture in the paint will lift the sticker off the wall. So the first thing you want to do is get some Scotch tape, and you can put it right on your hand like that. And then you get the sticker where you want it. And you take the tape, and you could use the tape to tape it on the wall. And you put the tape on the wall and on the liner, not on the sticker itself. So you've got it where you want it. What I like to do is to take a knife and just slide it behind the sticker. It's easy to get it off that way. And then you want to peel it back off the liner. If you have an area like that, if you just pull, it could tear there. So you want to get the liner back beyond that point. And then get it started. And once you have it started, you could take pull the liner back, expose a bit of the sticker, and just take your time and apply it on the wall, making sure that it's flat. You use just need your hand, or you could use a microfiber towel. You don't want to use a squeegee or anything hard, because they can be scratched. Slowly make sure it's flat on the wall as you go down. You can feel it with your hand. I like to use my hand because you can feel what's going on. You can feel if you're getting bubbles. If you get a bubble, just pull it back and then reapply it. And the last step is to take the tape off the wall.